Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter comparing and ordering. The lessons we're going to cover today are comparing numbers up to 100, comparing numbers up to 1000, put numbers up to 100 in order, retest and least word problems up to 100. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I'm on grade 2 math. So we're going to start with the chapter comparing and ordering. So let's just start with the first lesson, comparing numbers up to 100. So basically we are going to compare two numbers, right? Select the words which make the statement true, 94 and 37. So you have to see when counting which numbers comes first. So when you count, 94 comes after 37, right? 98, 94 comes. So 94 is greater than 37, right? Because when you count, 94 comes after 37. That means 94 is greater than 37, right? Okay, the next one is select the words that makes the statement true. 58 and 59. So which is the correct option? When we count, 58 comes before 59, isn't it? When you're counting, it is 58, 59, and 60. So 58 comes before 59. That means 58 is less than 59, right? That means 58 is smaller than 59. Okay, the next one is select the words which make the statement true. 46 and 96. So which is the correct option? So when you count, 46 comes before 96, right? That means 46 is less than 96. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, select the words which make the statement true, 29 and 29. So which is the correct option? 29 and 29, they are exactly equal. So the correct option is 29 is equal to 29. Select the words that make the statement true, 93 and 65. So which is the correct option? So when you count, 93 comes after 65, isn't it? That means 93 is greater than 65, right? So 93 is greater than 65. Okay, select the words that makes the statement true. 39 and 3, you have to compare both the numbers, right? Yes, when you count 3, 90, 39 comes after 3, right? That means 39 is greater than 3. If you already know the answers, you can please write down the answer in the chat box. Select the words which make the statement true, 26 and 28. So, which is the correct option? Yes, so when counting, 26 comes before 28, right? That means 26 is less than 28. The correct option is less than. 26 is less than 28. Okay, select the words which make the statement true. So, which is the correct option? So, that means when counting, 59 comes after 61, right? That means 59 is. Yes, when counting, 59 comes before 61. That means 59 is less than 61, right? Okay, select the words which make the statement true, 42 and 22, which is the correct option. Yes, that means 42 is greater than 22 because when counting, you have 22 first and then you have 42. So that means 42 is greater than 22. Select the words which make the statement true, 13 and 14, which is the correct option. Yes, 13 comes before 14. That means 13 is less than 14, right? Okay, select the words which make the statement true, 30 and 31, which is the correct option. Yes, 30 is less than 31. The correct option is less than. Okay, select the words which make the statement true. 96 and 96, which is the correct option. Yes, they are equal. 96 is equal to 96. Okay, select the words which make the statement true. 8 and 8. Again, they both are exactly. Yes, they are exactly equal. So 8 is equal to 8. Select the words which make the statement true. 27 and 28, which is the correct option? They are exactly no. 27 is less than 28, right? Select the words which make the statement true. So, which is the correct option? Yes, 59 is greater than 57. Select the words which make the statement true. 62 and 96, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 62 is less than 96. Okay, select the words which make the statement true. 36 and 35, which is the correct option? Yes, 36 is greater than 35, right? Because when you count, you have 35 first, so it is greater than. Select the words that makes a statement true. 46 and 96, which is the correct option? Yes, 46 is less than 96, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson. We're going to start with a new lesson. Okay, so now we're going to do comparing numbers up to 1000. That means now you are going to compare the larger numbers, right? Let's just start with the first one. Which words make the statement true? 662 and 662. You can see both the numbers are exactly same, right? That means both numbers are equal. Okay, the next example is which words make the statement true? Again, 29 and 29 are exactly equal because both the numbers are same, so both sides are equal. Okay, then you have which words make the statement true? 994 and 994, again they both are exactly equal. Let's just start with the practice questions. We're going to learn how do we compare the numbers that are greater than 100. Okay, which words make the statement true? You have to compare two numbers, 438 and 458. Okay, 438 and 458. Okay, so you have to start comparing from the greatest digit, right? 404 is the greatest digit, like 4 has the greatest place value here, right? So both the in both the numbers 4 and 4 they are equal, right? Now just look at the hundreds digit. Here you have 3 and here you have 5. So you compare 3 and 5, 3 is less than 5, right? That means 438 is less than 458. Got it? You have to compare the digit that is at the highest place value, that would be 4. For both the digits is 4 because 400, so 4 is at the 100 position, so for both the digits 4 is equal. Then you have to compare the 100 digits. 3 is less than 5, that means 438 is less than 458, right? So it is less than. Okay, 540 and 540, so which is the correct option? Okay, they are exactly equal. 540 is equal to 400 because the number is exactly same. Okay, 159. Which words make the statement true? 159 and 158. Okay, 159 and 158. So start with the digit that is at the hundreds position. So 1 is at the 100 position, both side, then both numbers 1 is equal, right? Now just look at the 100 digit, 5 and 5, again 100 digit is also equal. Now just look at the digit that is at the ones position. You have to compare 9 and 8. So 9 is greater than 8, that means 159 is greater than 158. So the correct option is greater than. Okay, which words make the statement true? 253 and 252, which is the correct option? Okay, 253 and 252. Hundreds digits are exactly equal. Sorry, yes, 100 digits are exactly equal. Then the 10 digit is also equal. Now just look at a digit that is at the ones position, 3 and 2. So just compare. 3 is greater than 2, right? That means 253 is greater than 252. Got it? Okay, which words make the statement true? 442 and 441, which is the correct option? 442 is greater than 441, right? The correct option is greater. Which words make the statement true? 994 and 994, so which is the correct option? 'Yes, they both are exactly equal. Got it? 994 is equal to 994. Okay, which words make the statement true? 643 and 641. If you already know the answers, you can please write down the answers in the chat box. 643 and 641, which is the correct option? 643 is greater than 641, right? Which words make the statement true? 249 and 248. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 249 is greater than 248, right? The correct option is greater. Which words make the statement true? The correct option is they are exactly equal. 520 is equal to 520 because the numbers are same on the both sides, right? Which words make the statement true? 209 and 884. So which is the correct option? 209 and 884. So obviously 2 is less than 8, right? That means 209 is less than 884. Which words make the statement true? 885 and 685. So which is the correct option? 885, right? On the other side, you have 685. Just look at the hundreds digit. 8 is greater than 6, right? That means 885 is greater than 685. Okay, which words make the statement true? 312 and 874, which is the correct option? 800, 312 and 874, right? Just look at their hundreds digit. 3 and 8. So 3 is less than 8, right? That means 312 is less than 874. Which words make the statement true? They both are exactly equal, right? Okay, which words make the statement true? 728 and 528, which is the correct option? 7 is greater than 5, right? So the correct option is 720. 7 is greater than 5, so obviously 728 is greater than 528. Which words make the statement true? Yes, they both are exactly equal, right? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is put numbers up to 100 in order. So now we're going to learn how do we arrange the numbers. So put these numbers in order from greatest to least. The numbers are 52, 57, and 14. So first you have to find the greatest number, right? The greatest number is 57. Now you are left with only two numbers, 52 and 14. Just look at the greater number. The greater number is 52. Then you have 14. So when you arrange, it would be 57, 52, and 14, right? Whenever you have to arrange the numbers, always start with the greatest. Find the greatest one. Then again, you have to find the greater number from the left, the numbers that you are left with, right? Okay, put these numbers in order from greatest to least. So the numbers are 81, 82, and 88, right? So just look at the number that is the greatest one. So the greatest one is 88. Okay, the greatest one is 88. Write the 88 where you are arranging the numbers, right? So remove it from here. You are left with just two numbers now. Just look at the greater number now. The greater number is 82, write 82 over here, and you are left with 81. So the arranged numbers are 88, 82, and 81, right? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, put these numbers in order from greatest to least. Okay, just look at the greatest number first. Okay, so the greatest one is 70. Remove 70 from here and write separately. Okay, you are left with two numbers now, 43 and 64, right? So the number that is greater is 64, right? 64 here, remove from here, you are left with just 43. So you can see the numbers are now arranged from greatest to least. So the correct option is option number 170. The correct option is option number 370, 64, and 43, right? Okay, put these numbers from in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? You have to arrange now least to greatest. Got it? So first you have to find the least number, like that means the smallest number. Got it? So which number is the smallest one? 21, right? Write 21 here and remove from here. Now you're left with 24 and 97. Which number is smaller now? Yes, that is 24 and then 97. So it would be 21, 24, and 97, right? The option number, the last option is the correct one. Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay, put these numbers from least to greatest. 83, 84, 76. Which is the correct option? You have to write the least one first, right? So the least one is 76. So the correct option is you have to write least one first. That is 76, 83, and 84. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, put these numbers from greatest to least. So, which is the correct option? You have to arrange from greatest to least. So, the correct option is the last one, that is 36, 33, and 32. Okay, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So, which is the correct option? You have to write the least one first. The least one is 15. Then you have 17, and then you have 54. So, option number 2 is the correct option: 15, 17, and 54, right? Okay, put these numbers in order from greatest to least. So, which is the correct option? So, the correct option is 98, 88, and 85. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, put these numbers in order from greatest to least. So, which is the correct option? 23, 48, 73. That would be 73, 48, and 23. Option number 2 is the correct option. Put these numbers from Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So, which is the correct option? Okay, the correct option is the last one, 30, 91, and 95. Okay, put these numbers in order from greatest to least. So, which is the correct option? Then you arrange there 61, 36, and 32. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is put these numbers in order from greatest to least. So, which is the correct option? The greatest is 74, then you have 19, and then you have 15, right? Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson. So you can complete the rest of the questions by yourself later today. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Okay, the next lesson is greatest and least word problems up to 100. Okay, Ernesto's classmate recorded how many books they read last year. Who read the fewest books? So you are given a table, you are given numbers, you have to see the least number, right? The least number in the table is 60. That means Turner corresponds to, that means who read fewest book, fewest number is 60. That means Turner read the fewest books, right? Okay, the next one is some students compared how many blocks they live from school. Who lived the farthest from school? Farthest means the one who has the longest distance. Got it? That means you have to find the number, the greatest number in the table. So which number is greatest in the table? 19, right? And 19 corresponds to Walter. That means Walter lives the farthest from school, right? Okay, the next one is Blanca kept a written log of how many miles she biked during the past 4 days. On which day did Blanca bike the most miles? So, which is the correct option? The most means you have to select the one that has the largest distance. Got it? So, the greatest one is 38. That means on which day did Blanca bike the most? 38 belongs is corresponding to Sunday. That means on Sunday Blanca did the most, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, Kenneth looked over his calendar to see how many times he had soccer practice each month. In which month did Kenneth have the most soccer practices? So, most soccer practices means you have to find the greatest number in the table, right? So, which number is the greatest in the table? 28 is the greatest in the table. Here it is, and 28 corresponds to July. That means in the month of July, Kent have the most soccer practices. So the correct option is July, right? The gym teacher wrote down how many tennis balls his students hit in half an hour. So which student hit the fewest tennis balls? So which is the correct option? Fewest tennis ball. That means you have to find the least number in the table, right? So which is the least one? The least number is 90, and 90 belong to Dina. That means Dina hit the fewest tennis balls. The correct option is Dina. Okay, the city recorded how many fire hydrants there are on each street. Which street has the fewest fire hydrants? So, which is the correct option? least one. That means you have to find a number that is the minimum number. The least number, the smallest number is 12, right? That means, and 12 corresponds to Pine Street. That means Pine Street has the fewest fire hydrants, right? So the correct option is Pine Street. Okay, Stacky tracked how many laps she ran in the past 4 days. On which day did Stacky run most laps? Which is, that means you have to select the day in which you have the most value. So which is the correct option? Most one is 59 and 59 corresponds to Wednesday. That means on Wednesday Stacky run the most laps. Correct option is Wednesday. Okay, a hardware store monitored how many hammers it sold in the past 4 days. So, on which day did the store sell the most hammers? So, the least value, most value is 98, and 98 corresponds to Sunday. That means on Sunday, the store sell the most hammers. So, the correct option is Sunday. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we are working on grade 2 maths. The chapter we're working on is comparing and ordering. And the lessons we have covered today are comparing numbers up to 100, comparing numbers up to 1000, put numbers up to 100 in order, greatest and least word problems up to 100. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. If you have any question, you can please ask. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions. So please ask question if you have any. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.